Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And Dave the Dragon is going to get us into this one. So we were going to get into that one last week before I just realised it was the wrong issue. This is issue number 34 for September 2008. So we're getting near to the end of the year now, and well, so far every single cover this year has been beautiful. Really, actually there's only one which wasn't really for me, which was the Iron Man one. Now this one here is supposed to be another comic book inspired one, so hopefully it'll have a sexy cover. So let's go and have a look at this one. So last week we looked at that one, which was issue number 33. It's actually one of my favourite covers, but sadly, because it's got the text on the front, I'm going to say issue number 28 is my favourite still, which was the Frank Frazetta special. Just look at that. It's unbelievable. You could put it on the wall as a like a print or something. But David Dragon's going to get us into this. What have we got? Ooh. I remember seeing this one and I thought it was brilliant. This is it. I don't know if you can read that down there. It says winner CG Society Digital Artist Uplift Universe Challenge or something. That is another really cool cover, and I like the way it's as if it's got a sort of like a what's that thing, sepia? You know, like the old photographs have like the yellow. It's got like a vintage vibey thing to it. I'm still going to say that's my favourite cover though. It's brilliant, that one. So let's get into this one. I thought it was actually going to have like a superhero on the cover or something. Yeah. So I was a bit shocked when I saw that. These creations here are cool though. So let's get into this. Yay! Look. So what it is that back cover there, that's the regular cover. This is the subscriber special cover. So the regular cover was done by Seijin. Ooh! There's little Rob, our editor Rob. He looks a little bit like the bloke from that Kojima game. I can't remember what it's called. And there's, look, hey, she's on the cover for the DVD. Very beautiful. That would have been a nice cover as well. There he is. Is that like a mix of the Joker, Batman and Wolverine or something? I'm not sure. These are cool. This is the FX Pose section. Oh, I love this. Nicola Bausi. Again, you can look into these artists and see what they're doing. I love that. It reminds me of someone as well. I can't quite remember. I've seen somebody do like the skin, the way they've done their skin. It reminds me of somebody. That's the artist there. Look, I'm gonna look into that artist. That's cool. And then we've got, look, a fish man. A bloke with a fish's head, and that's some sort of Batman. I tell you what would be really cool is to get Poison Ivy, Harlequin, and merge them, or maybe Poison Ivy and Wonder Woman. That'd be good. That'd be a good little exercise. Merge different female comic book characters together. See what happens. She's quite. I quite like the shapes of her. Get a lighting on that. Hey, Thundercats. I love Thundercats growing up. Thundercats are on the loose. Thunder dun dun dun. Feel the magic, feel the roar. She's nice. Is this a video game or something? I like this one as well. A Swedish manga. Oh, I'm sort of connected to that character somehow. Red Pixie and the Gold Rush. Here we go, look. This is the CG challenge. So some sort of competition, and that the winner got on the cover of the magazine, which is what I said. What they did was last week, in the last issue, last month's issue, they ran this competition where the community created a load of covers. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it. No, I probably won't be able to find it. But I said to myself, what would be cool is if they ran a competition and the winner got their art on the actual cover for real. And that's what they've done here, look. Oh, I hope they do. Hey, oh cool. Look what they've done there, look. Huh, that's quite funny. Look, they've put the last month's cover, they've put the ImagineFX. She's holding the ImagineFX, look. Huh, that's quite funny. The artist's Q&A. That's nice. Yeah, this was never me. Here, look, Simon Bisley, ImagineFX legend. Who is this? I'm not sure. Lobo. The living legend take time out of his busy Bristol Comic Con to speak to ImagineFX. Slain. That's supposed to be a really good comic. That's 2000 AD, that is. I wonder if they worked on... Oh, yeah. Emmanuel Malin. Sketchbook. Unbelievable, that. Oh, I love that. That's cool. They've got ink sketches. Brilliant. Artist portfolio of Michael Kutchen. That, I think that's a Viking video game, isn't it? I'm not sure. I feel like I've seen that in a video game before. Oh yeah, cool character. Yeah, look, Viking Battle for Asgard. It's a video game. I've seen that. Pretty sure that's the cover. Most of the time I use a pencil. I like this one. I like this character. Cool. Classic image, look. Epicness. Imagine if that happens to the world. Imagine you looked out your window and you saw that. That'd be quite weird, wouldn't it? It would be beautiful and terrifying at the same time. Because it would be beautiful to see that, but you know that you're going to die. So you'd be scared, but you'd be like thinking, wow, it is still beautiful. I've always thought that if a big, like a tsunami, imagine you look out your window and you saw in the distance a massive wave of water heading your way. You know you're going to die. It's inevitable. But it's going to be beautiful seeing it as well. So in a strange way, I think it might be a nice way to die. If you just accept it, instead of fighting it, but you'd probably end up running away and being scared or something. But I would like to think I could just stand there, watch the water come in and enjoy it and let it take you away. Be quite nice, I think. Painting wavy hair. I love this one. Nice colours. Yeah, I like that she's wearing a purple bra as well. Seen that before. Got that on, that's one of the ImagineFX, issue number 3 I think, is it? Oh no, issue 13 it must have been. Finishing touches. Is that Lewis Royo? That looks like a Lewis Royo on that one. No, it can't be. Here he is, that bloke from... Oh, I still can't remember the name of that game. Creating an epic sci-fi painting. End of the world, look. Next week we've got more dragons or monsters or something. Art of Doctor Who. Not really excited for that. Master figure drawing. These are good articles. And we've got the reviews. So these are like 15 years old now. It's quite funny. Got that, it got 4.5 out of 5. I thought that would have got a 5. I've seen that on eBay. Bold Visions. It got 5 out of 5, that has. Comic book layout and penciling, look. DVD. Be quite cool. The thing is, that was probably on eBay, on YouTube. That's probably, the whole thing's probably on YouTube somewhere. None of these popping out at me. And then we've got like the fat orc. Ha! Like, he's probably like quite a clumsy bloke. That's a classic image, that is. That's what they said. And then we finish with the DVD. Plop! Yeah. That was it. That was an interesting one, that. Didn't feel like my favourite issue. I like that article though. And there was some nice things in here. Like that. Look at that, look. Cool. So I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 34 of the ImagineFX magazine. And that was for the month of September. So the next one is October. Issue number 35. I wonder if this is a wraparound cover. Yeah, it is, look, you can just see there. I like those wraparound covers. So that'll be next week. But I hope you enjoyed this, and I shall see you later for another one.